You need to be incredibly flexible to do this job. You need to be ready to come in every day and work as hard as you need to get the aircraft off the ground.
Without us, we're unable to successfully identify threats within the AOR.
The backbone of the bone is basically the workers that take care of the B-1. The nickname for the B-1 is the bone. So that's the nickname they've always had. So any workers, so like crew chiefs, our specialists, our phase, our weapons, we're the backbone of the aircraft. We take care of it.
I work in partnership with crew chiefs who are there to crew all aircraft. We work directly with our pilots whenever they are launching. We also directly work with our avionics individuals, our engine troops, and our hydraulics technicians. Everything on this aircraft goes hand in hand together.
Alright, so we sweep wings. They have the most maneuverability between all three bombers, and then we have the biggest payload that the Air Force inventory has.